Hi, I'm Mike with Bad Goat Off-Road. How high can you climb? So some of you may recall about a year ago. Wow, that long. About a year ago, I began working on a 1965 CJ5 Willys Tuxedo Park Edition. It was a full teardown build, custom frame, rebuilt axles, LS motor, SM465 transmission, and a Dana 18 transfer case. Well, we got about halfway done. Got the body painted together, got the motor in it, got the axles under it, and I had to move. So we moved from Alaska all the way to St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands. And it's time now to start working on this beast again. Oh, there she is. This is a 1965 CJ5 Tuxedo Parks Edition. The color is called Chief Blue, which is a 2018 factory Jeep color. And this is Project Old Goat. Still has the stock interior. These are the original 1965 factory Tuxedo Park Edition seats. That's a very rare factory front bench seat. It's a 60-40 split. The passenger seat still leans forward like the rest of them do, and the driver's seat will fold forward. Has the original column shift steering column and steering wheel, but we did convert it to a floor shift transmission. It's a 4-speed with a granny first. Still has a twin stick 18 in it. We changed the windshield frame to an intermediate year windshield so we could have the lower wipers. Gives it a little more glass area, and the wipers tend to work a little bit better than they do in the top mount, especially the ones that are vacuum actuated. The body work was done by Ice Monkey Garage up in Alaska. So was a lot of the fabrication. It has new fenders, a new tub, and a new windshield frame, the hood, the front grille, and the tailgate original, as is the front bumper, but not much else is. It's a throttle down customs frame. It's got YJ 2.5-inch lift springs with a shackle reversal, front and rear. It has a set of J-Truck Dana 44 axles. Now these are a little wider than the stock CJ5 axle, and of particular interest to this Jeep, the rear axle is offset to the passenger side, just like it was because it was a Quadra-Track axle. And the Quadra-Track axle are all offset to the passenger side, just a hair. That lets me use my Dana 18 and minimizes the offset on the U-joints. Got some 6-inch fender flares. These are old school turbine wheels that have been powder coated black. 31.5 by 10.5-inch tires, 15-inch rims. It's a brand new fuel tank. Move to the rear. There's a filler for it. We put on the customary traditional beer opener, LED tail lights, dual exhausts to help that beautiful LS motor breathe. This is a 5.3 V8 out of a 2007 Silverado. It's got a few modifications to it. It has an LS9 camshaft in it. It has a Trailblazer SS intake manifold. It has all Corvette front accessories and dampener. And that gives me a little more space for the radiator. It's still going to be tight though. And then it has a Camaro oil pan. So we get plenty of clearance onto that front end. Converted it to power steering. Working on the linkage right now. Looks like our paint didn't hold up very well on the move. Being on board a ship for a week kind of let some rust set in. But we'll get it all cleaned up again, make it pretty again. Now because we did a shackle reversal, the front tire moves forward about 3 inches. And then when the springs compress, it moves back to the rear. So here you can see the shackles now in the back. And these are a 4-inch shackle, and it also has about a 1-inch body lift on it. So we could easily jump to 33s if we wanted to. We'll try and document some more of the repairs as we work through getting this baby on the road. Yaha!